Hey guys, today the cats are going to be reviewing the PetFusion Jumbo Cat Scratcher Lounge. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this thing is pretty big. Oh wow. It's a lot bigger in person than on the, whoop, there we go. That's all she wanted was the box. It's like awkward to hold. Okay. Oops, I'm just gonna move you here. Okay. All right. So here we go. Wow. I got this on Amazon, and I'm hoping that this scratcher is going to replace these scratchers. These have been really great because they're very inexpensive and they use them all the time. The only problem is they make such a mess. The cardboard, it's pretty loosely packed, so it sheds so much, and there's always little pieces of cardboard all over the house because they carry it around on their fur and then they deposit it everywhere. So I'm kind of hoping to replace those. So now this was $80, so that's kind of a lot, and those replaceable ones are only $5. But I keep about 8 around the house. So as long as I buy, if they're $5, as long as I buy 16 per year, I've already made back the money on this. So hopefully they'll use it. Okay. Yeah, so I can see the difference. The cardboard on here is much tighter than the cardboard on the other one. So it really shouldn't shed as much. It comes with catnip, but I don't think I'm going to use it because Abby gets a little crazy and she'll start swatting at everybody, so I'll skip the catnip. So this is supposed to last about a year. And I mean, I guess it also really depends on how many cats you have, how often they use it. Wow, this is really big. I'm thinking maybe all 5 could actually use it at the same time, but we'll see. You never know. Okay, here it is. It's actually pretty heavy. This is really cool. It's kind of pretty. So the good thing is once this gets worn out, I can just flip it. And then they have new side right here. All right, so this looks pretty good. I'm gonna let the cats take over from here and they'll give you their review.